A short Billy Joe Schaefer story. I met Billy Joe through this fella, and shortly after he got in a little trouble y'all may know about in Texas a while back.
Oh, you can shoot folks in Texas.
When a fella confronted him and called him a liar, I believe. And Vic and he's telling, we're out in the alley behind the Hummingbird, and Billy Joe's telling Vic and I this story. And Vic said something to the effect, well, hell, you must be a pretty good shot with that little old 25. He said, no, boy, I don't believe I could hit a barn with it. But I just got unlucky that night, you know. But he had played that night, and I had to leave that next week going to Kansas. I went to Topeka to do some work business. And I'm leaving Topeka after that next week and drained out, sitting on a bench out in front of the Kansas City airport, and this cat walks up to me and says, what the hell are you doing in Kansas? And I turned around, and it was Billy Joe Schaefer. I was like, what the hell are you doing in Kansas? He said, as far as hell away from Texas. He said, and that's pretty much the extent of my Billy Joe story. I respect the old fart. He's been honky-tonking a long, long time. On a rainy, windy morning, that's the day that I was born, in that old sharecropping one-room country shack. Well, they say my mammy left me alone the very day she had me, said she hit that road and never once looked back. Well, I just thought I would mention that my grandma's old age pension is the reason why I'm standing right here today. I got all my Sunday learning, milking and a churning, picking cotton, raising hell and baling hay. Well, I've been to Georgia on a fast train, honey. Well, I was born, oh, yesterday. I got that good Christian raising and an 8th grade education. Ain't no need y'all to treat me this way. Treat them bad, then. Well, now, sweet Caroline, I don't think I will never find another woman put together quite like you are. Well, I love the wheel in your walking and your big city talking and that brand new shiny Plymouth ragtop car. Well, let's hurry up and wait in this world of a give and take. Seems like haste remains for wasting nearly every time. I declare to my soul, baby, when I hear them ages roll, don't you know I'm gonna get my share of mine? Well, I've been to Georgia on a fast train, honey. I was born, oh, yesterday. Well, I got that good Christian raising now an 8th grade education. Ain't no need y'all to treat me this way. vacation. Ain't no need in y'all treating me this way. There ain't no need in y'all to treat me this